What's your name?
Bred.
Bred. I'm Killer. They call me Taiwo Abiodun. Papa of the nation, Bobo Titi Bobo.
From Nigeria.
Nigeria,
Yes.
okay.
So since how many years have you been doing this job?
How many years?
Yeah.
39.
39
Now,
years.
26 down here.
Okay.
And then 39 all total.
How old are you?
58.
58?
Yep.
You look younger than your age.
I started when I was 19.
Pardon?
19 is when I
19.
started.
Okay, good.
Yep.
So how you made a lot of money from this business?
Oh no, very little money. I do it for fun. I do it for fun. No, time, you know, that's what's involved, and people aren't willing to pay for the time. So,
How does the manufacturing companies affect your business? The machine, just a machine.
well, it's completely different. I mean, they're two completely different worlds.
Okay.
If somebody wants something quick and cheap, they get the manufactured.
Okay.
If they want something high quality, unique,
Okay.
then they get the blacksmith.
Is any of your children do the job? Any of your children?
No, none
Why?
of them. They just didn't take to it.
Do you want them to do it?
It would have been nice. Now my son's a machinist, so he does with all the machines, the lathes, the drills. And my daughter's a nurse.
So that's all.
Yeah.
So your BA, how long did you do your BA? I love the BA. Like
I had it since I graduated high school.
how many years ago?
Well, what would that be? 50? No, 40.
40 years ago. You've got the BA for 40 years ago. Does it scare people when they see you? Oh, I don't know. Are you scared?
It startles some people.
Yes, okay, but I love it.
Yeah,
How much do you spend on it? How much do you spend
on my beard?
taking care of feet?
Don't spend anything. No. Shampoo it every night and that's it. No.
Oh, no, beautiful.
I'm a real low maintenance kind of person.
Okay. Okay, this thing you are doing, where do you get come on, what do you call it?
The tools or something?
Tools.
Where do I get them?
Yeah, you tools.
Make them.
You make them?
Yeah, make all my tools. Like, make sure they're not hot. Yeah, a little pair of
You made
pliers.
this?
Yeah, made those last week.
The charcoal, where do you get the charcoal?
That comes out of Kentucky, and it's stone cold, dug out of the ground rather than charcoal. That's what I just finished.
So finished.
Oh, that is
beautiful.
nice.
It's
Yes, it is
beautiful.
beautiful. Yes.